Hi, I'm back. Just happy to see always be on this show on this YouTube journey. I have a lot to share. I'm just every word from my higher self, however you want to term it, universe, God, Allah, Jesus, Buddha. It's universal energy, the higher power that leads me to make these videos. I received messages, and I think they should be shared so people can cross over and not feel lost. What do I do next? I had my accident. I'm in a new world. What do I do? I continue my life as I used to, or can I get more powers from God, Allah, Jesus, Buddha, Hindu God, Greek God, and so on, the universe? So let's start. When you see energy creation you don't give it attention. 0% acknowledgement. Plus, a religious code is a tool to use when fear arises from such energy creations. It is sad but true. So we got to be vigilant of the thoughts we have, not only those we share or speak of, whether that be from school teachings or the media. For example, the ideas and thoughts that cross our mind are free will based. And so do not blame others for the disturbing images we see on a television drama. We chose to see that recording. Leave the room if it is forced to you, you have to watch it. Just leave the room, or don't get angry at people when you willingly decide to view the news stories. I stopped viewing the news more than 4 or 5 years ago, and I'm fine. Sure, I'm forced to see a few seconds or even minutes of this devastating news stories when my mother, who I am trying also to halt with the views of such topics, such elements, and out of her free will, I am trying for her to understand that their violence and negativity attracts negativity. I kindly tell her to change the channel. So we got to be careful of the content we expose ourselves to. So then why do people complain as they engage in detrimental behavior, such as watching topics that are harmful and one-sided stories? Has watching the news, example, wars, led you to do something about it? Example, donating money to war survival charities, which would be a clean and respectful response, than to boil up with rage with no actions done to counteract with the destruction and murder that are done to third world nations. For example, so you're sitting around, you're boiling up. Are you getting anything done? Are you taking action to resolve the issue in our society? I don't think so. Some are. Some are volunteering and trying to make a difference. So we got to be careful of the energies we choose to view. At times, distancing yourself from gossiping ladies and men can save your future. You watch your crowd. The reasons I am saying this is because negativity attracts negativity, positivity attracts positivity, as I said earlier. Being careful of the friends you choose to converse with is wise, even if it means distancing yourself from certain people or groups. Choose your social circle wisely. There are a lot of powerful info materials to learn and practice. I thank you for your time with me. And I hope you take a look at my ebook, 108 Eternal Life Guidance. It has 2 quotes per page, and the quotes are eye-opening. Like, you kind of get more and more closer to your higher self and becoming an aware being. So that's it. Thank you for joining me. I had a blast here with you, and see you next time.